Glossy black ng Aerox. Sobrang elegante talaga ng black. May Yamaha lang din na nakasulat. Single hydraulic disc and ABS ang isang to. 110 by 80 by 14. Tubeless tires na rin. IRC. Telescopic for LED ng mga ilaw. Windshield tayo dito na tinted na black. Emblem sa magkabila. May blue core. May VVA din siya or glossy ulit na background decals. Reflector unit swing. Drum brakes naman sa likod. 140 by 70 by 14. Heat guard is black. Carbon garnish. Yamaha Motorcycle Connect. 24.5 liters. Tignan natin kung kasyang ID Spartan. 2850 lang available sa Shopee. Search nyo lang Nedi Shop. Sheesh! Bagay dito yung Motaro na black na top box. 12 volts, 5.5 liters, 48.62, 145, 122 kg, 790 mm, liquid cooled, and 11.6:1 4-stroke, single overhead cam, fuel injected, smart motor generator, 11.3, 13.9 Newton meter, bore and stroke, park brake lang. Sound ng stock na busina, G-Star horn. 124,000 pesos. Para sa inyo, netizens, sulit ba itong